So all you need to start threading is your picker. Okay, just get your picker and you're good to go. So we'll start with it's a 4-thread machine, which means it uses 4 thread. Okay, so these two are going under, while these two are the ones coming at the top. Okay, so we'll start with these two. So take it to the thread stand. Then take all of them to the thread stand and watch it very carefully, because you see that this is coming straight. It's meant to make sure your thread is flowing freely. Okay, yeah, so let's proceed to the next one. Because our thread stand is not good, the hanger is not good, we'll just make use of this one straight. It's still the same, it won't affect it much. Okay, so you take it to this place. You can use any of these two. Go to this place. The same, let's do it with this one and this one. Okay, so at this point you take it inside the tension control, this tension disc. Yes, make sure it enters inside very well. Okay, then this way, make sure it enters inside very well. And then I'll mention again that make sure these two, because they are going under, they are not meant to be very tight, too tight. Okay, yes, just a little bit tight, that's all. And you take it through this. Okay, so we'll take it through this place. Can you see this thing?
Yes.
Here, this hole. You can see it. Can you see it from there?
I'm seeing it.
Alright. And so you take it through this place, like this.
Yes.
Same with this. For other machines, you may not. Okay, good. Don't worry. Okay. So after this point, we'll go with this first. Take it through this hole. The 2 holes here, we'll do the same for each of them, or both of them. Step by step. We are done with this now. Then you proceed to this place. There is one here, there is another one here. This is for this one. Why this is for this one. Now let's make use of picker where it seems to be difficult for you. Okay, so at this point you still see that we have 2 of these yes, no thread guide. You still use the same. First for the up one, and this for the next, like so. We are done. We'll go to the next step, which is here. You see, still meets the same 2 holes there. We make use of them. Pass it through. The first is always following the first.
Yes.
While this goes this way. Then we proceed to this point. There is this one here, there is this one here. So this goes, our first thread goes up here like this, you will see another hole inside here. Take it through there. Once it enters here, take it inside through that place until calm down. Like this. Then, so now let's finish up with this. Then you take it through this small looper. It's under looper, but it's a small one. Like this, from down, you put it through the other side, like that. Sorry, like so. Can you see them? There's a black thread, but so you take it through this place. Then once you are done, make sure you bring it out to this other side, like this. And keep it one side. Then we'll proceed with this one from where we stopped. Take it through here. Once you are done with this is going to the second looper, which is the big looper.
Yes.
Now from here you take it through to this place. Is another thread guide. All these things are to make sure your thread is flowing well, freely, and it avoids thread breakage while you're weaving. Then from here you take it to the back through this other side, like this. So I'll bring it out through here like this to this side. Okay, and like this. Then I will turn my hand wheel to make sure I have the looper show up this other side like this. You understand?
Yes.
Good. So at this point, I'm going to pass my thread through this back end to come out through the front here, because there is a line here on the looper where the thread is going to lap in and pass through. So bringing it this side, make sure it doesn't mix up under here. That's all. Like this. And we are done. Remember, it enters from the back, from behind, through to this side. Then again, you still take it back to the other side. So you turn your hand wheel again to have the looper come out this side like this.
Yes.
Then you bring out your thread again. So you see that you have it this side. And then pass it through the looper eye. Good. So it has lapped through that line.
Yes.
Again, always take it out to come and meet this side like this. So you now have these two threads outside like this. This should be your end results. Make sure that the thread does not mix under here. Once you miss it and it's mixed up under, it will definitely affect your work. So you have these two. So we are done with threading the under thread. You can as well lock it up and close it like this.